Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
She just wanna get up in her bag. She don't wanna look into her past. She tell me she just want a real man. Tell me she just want a real man. She just wanna get up in her bag. She don't wanna look into her past.
So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look. I did do passion twist on my hair, DIY. It's one of my first times ever doing my hair by myself. However, my mom did braid my the plaits for me, so technically not by myself, kind of. I did the twist by myself, but this is a really simple, easy, quick hairstyle to do. I think it took me, well, I don't want to say quick, but simple hairstyle to do. I think it took around 5 hours to do, which is not too bad, especially considering it was by myself. Before we get into it, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I ordered my hair off of Amazon. I got the 24 inches and I think it came with 8 packs, so I'll show you guys the package of the hair. It just came like this. I took one of them out already. This is how it looks. It was like $25 if you have Prime. And yeah, and I'll show you guys how my hair looks. Don't mind how it looks actually. Okay guys, so this is the pattern that I'm gonna follow, or the braid pattern. My mom plaited my hair last night, that's why it's kind of matted looking today, but yeah. And also the Amazon bundle came with a crochet hook with a few of these little decorations to put on the thing. I'm probably not gonna use the decorations, but I will use this crochet needle or hook. So I have about like 10 of these now because of, I feel like every hair company that has anything to do with crochet on Amazon, they send these. So I have about 10 of these, 10 extra ones now. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this thing and cut it in the middle. I think I'm gonna use, like I said, 2 strands. We're gonna see how that looks. Okay guys, so I did a few so far. You guys can see I did about 5 of them, and yeah, this is the length that they're gonna be. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do with this one on the side. It'll be easier. So what I do is I just take the crochet hook, slide it on through, trying to go in the center as much as possible, and then I take 2 strands of hair. I decided to do 2 strands because I tried one and one was way too small and it looked funny, so we're just gonna do 2 strands. Okay, so I have 2 strands of hair and I separate them like this, and then I connect them, making sure they're as even as possible. It's okay if they're not 100% even, just as long as they're semi-even, if that makes sense. So what I do is I just take the 2 strands of hair that look like one and kind of just feed the hair in like that. So you guys see that? And then I quickly close it so it won't slide out. And then I let the crochet hook do the rest of the work. And then take it on out. Slide it, and then you can kind of tell where it's separated at. So I slide my finger where it's separated at, just so I can pull the other side through. So now you have 2 strands like this, and then making sure it's even, the same length on both sides as much as possible. And then I just take this middle piece of hair, my real hair, and I combine it with like one of them, like that, and I twist it as tight as possible, especially at the root. I think it would be easier if you have gel, so if you guys do have some gel on hand, which I don't, it would be way easier to blend it. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this because I didn't feel like running to the store to do this hairstyle, or before I do this hairstyle, just because I need my hair done as soon as possible. Honestly, you don't have to braid your hair down as much as I braided my rear hair down. And then for when I get to the end, all I do is like do a quick little loop-de-loop of finger coil with my finger. Okay, here guys, I'm showing you guys up close and personal of how I did it. Like I said before, I took the crochet hook and I slid it through, trying to put it in the middle as close as possible. And then I take my hair, put it on the crochet hook, slide it all through, making sure both sides are even. And then you just twist down as normal, like how you would any other normal twist. It's pretty simple, easy hairstyle, guys. I was able to do it by myself in no time, and I got the hang of it after like the second one. So the more you keep doing it, the more easy it is. And also, as you guys know, I did not have any gel on hand, so make sure you guys go to the store and purchase you guys some gel so that you can have some slick ends. If your hair ever gets tangled like mine did here, all you have to do is take a pair of scissors and snip it away. So that's what I'm showing you guys here. Don't try to pull it out unless it can get tangled even worse. Here's where I ran out of hair on one end, so what I did was with the hair where I had the longer hair, and I just did it like a regular braid but in the twist form. So I just brought out hair from one twist from one side to the other and continued to twist as normal. So I just follow the same steps all throughout my whole head, guys. So I'll let you guys just watch the video without me talking over it. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end results, because I do a full 360 of my hair. And let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding this hairstyle, because I'm more than happy to answer them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check the description for all the details on the Amazon here. Thanks again, guys, for watching. A tip for when you're at the front of your head especially is to not put the crochet hook in vertically. It will leave a line in the middle of your head, which looks weird. So try to go horizontally, especially in the front of your head when you're putting in the crochet hook.
Just taking this moment. Baby, won't you come a little closer? Oh, baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over? Baby, won't you come a little closer? Oh, baby, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come on over?
Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it. Thought about it. I thought about it, thought about it.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want me to do any like hairstyles with this hair, then go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll make a video on like different hairstyles to do. This is one of my go-to hairstyles. I just love to put my hair in, I love to put my hair in like princess style looks. I think it's cute, especially with the two like little bangs pieces, whatever you call it. But yeah, the hair is really fluffy, or bouncy and fluffy. It's kind of full too. I only used I think I used about 5 to 6 packs of hair, and it came with 8 packs. So yeah, it was more than enough hair. I used 2 strands per twist. All of them are 2 strands, and this is how thick they are. Not too thick. I love how the size of them. I tried to do 1 strand only, but it was too small. I didn't even try 3 strands. I think 3 strands would have been too big, so there was no like in between for me. Like I wanted them a tad bit smaller, but they're fine how they are. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.